You can draw like this anime eye with just 15 rupees pencil colors. First, make a rough rectangle. Now follow my process, as afterwards we are going to erase this rough sketch, so don't make it dark. If you're a beginner, don't think you will master this in seconds. Everything needs practice. You can make the circle with the help of a rounder. Now it's inking time. You can use an ink pen for inking. With the eraser, erase the rough sketch. Now it's done. Now it's coloring time. With a black sketch pen, fill the eyelashes and eyebrow. Now take brown pencil color and follow my process. Now take red color. With the black pencil color, color in darker parts. Now take the gray color. And it's done. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.